As this is an international English language testing system which is powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. So my name is Ashmapreet Singh Ram and I'm here to conduct your speaking interview of candidate number 110601. So welcome to your speaking interview. So let's start with your speaking. May I have your full name please?
My name is Gagandeep Singh.
Okay, what should I call you?
You can call me Gagan.
Okay. Does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, of course, my name is related to sky. Also, we call the sky as a Gagan. So this is related to sky.
Okay. So is your name important to you?
Yes, my name. I love my name. It is my favorite because everyone call me Gagan and short names such as Gaggi, Gagan.
Okay. Do Indian people like changing their names?
Mostly Indian people have maximum 2 or 3 names. Their parents have different names. Their sisters call them with a different name. Their friends also take their names according to their.
Why?
Because it's depend upon their personality. Sometimes they are very kind. Then parents call him them. These are very good and have a great gesture and call them very call them very. Actually, friends call them with the funny names according to their personality. If he is very tall, then call him like.
Okay. Have you ever changed your name?
No, I never change my name because I love my name. I'm happy with my name.
Okay. Why do so many people change their name?
Sometimes people are not personally believe that they do not have a good name because sometimes they call such as they have a name such as Payal. Everyone call him Pal. He is always.
Okay, now let's talk about pens. Do you usually use a pen or a pencil?
Yes, definitely I use pens because pens maximum I am very good in writing with pens. I use ball pens, ink pens. From my school time I always use pens.
When was the last time you bought a pen?
I think I thought last time I was bought a pen when I go for my finals in graduation since 2 years.
Okay, how often do you buy pencils?
I bought pencils maximum when I have writing something that is not that is erasable because sometimes we read up things like just we are not confirmed about the letters, then we use pens, then I bought maximum pens.
Did you like to write with a pen or pencil when you were a child?
When I was child, maximum I will use pencil because during writing tasks I always make mistakes. Then after a time again and again I erase it. Then it is easy to write with a pencil.
Okay, how would you feel if someone gave you a pen or pencil as a gift?
Personally, I am happy if anyone give me a pen because a pen is not as a gift. Because if anybody gives a pen, it means he believes in your thoughts, your ideas. You are doing good for your life. Then he gives you a pen.
Okay, would you pay a lot for a pen?
Yes, of course, I paid a lot for a pen that time when I gifted it to someone who is very good in teaching or study. Then I bought expensive pens.
Okay, let's move to the second part of your speaking. I will give you a cue card on which you have to speak for at least 2 minutes, and you will be given with the 1 minute for preparation. Okay. In between, you can make the notes on the notepad if you want.
Shall I start?
Yes, sure.
Nowadays we have we are going to occasions, parties, festivals. We have taken maximum pictures, and I think I would like to talk about a picture that was taken in a special occasion. It was my sister's engagement. We got many pictures. We got so much pictures. Because we are professional photographers, and which always clicking our pics or random pics, and it is very occasional moment, because we all are ready for a party, because everyone has a new clothes, everyone wear new clothes, having good hairstyles. My sister always also ready in the parlors, and it is a pic. It is a family picture. It is hanging in our drawing room. It is picture that was randomly clicked by a professional cameraman who is borrowed by borrowed from my brother. It is such a good picture, and when we see the picture in the drawing room, it always remembers us that moment, because we always remember the pics. We always hanging the pics for our remembering for good moments, and I felt it was a very good picture, because it is a long last picture. It is a big frame. It's about 16 by 4 its size. It is always in front of the.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the third part of your speaking. What are the advantages and disadvantages of taking photographs on smartphones?
Yes, it is very advantageous for to take a picture in smartphones, because nowadays smartphones have very good quality cameras. It's about 30 to 40 megapixels and give a best quality of pictures.
Okay, do you think photographers are artists?
Yes, photography is a art. Photography is itself a art. Only a good photographer having good skills of a camera. Only good cameraman, he with good skills only click good pictures.
Do you think art should be sold or preserved?
No, art should not be sold. It is always preserved, because everyone art is not a thing that is we are borrowed from someone, because it is a self-created art. So
Okay, why do you think some artworks like paintings or sculptures are expensive?
yes, some paintings are expensive, because paintings show us the thoughts, planning, the goals. Like Mona Lisa, it is one of the best and expensive painting that was around 15 to 16-year-old picture, old painting. These are paintings like very expensive.
Okay. Should kids be taught art from a young age?
Yes, definitely. If kids taught arts from their school age, then from a school they take part in occasions and festivals or and intercity programs. Then they got many skills about which are useful in their career and future goals they decide.
What is the attitude to art in your country?
I believe that it is depend upon their economical financial state, because everyone has a art, but sometimes art is going under the dogs because of low family conditions, low financial conditions. Sometimes parents don't allow to get with their arts.
Okay. So is it important for all people to get the opportunity to make art?
Yes, it's very important, because if everyone have a good art regarding any such things such as paintings, cricket, sports, taking pictures and other activities, if they get a chance, they are growing itself with a very large and good way which is useful in their future.
Okay, thank you. It was all about your speaking interview. You can leave now.